Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change Shopify store theme. Let's get started. So from in here, you can see in here your Shopify store theme. I have just head over and click on this online store and this is what it will show you. Now, if you want to change your theme, you can scroll down until you can see this option right here for add theme. Now click on this visit theme store on a drop down menu and it will open in here a new tab wherein it will show you all the themes that you have available. So in here, you can see a lot more themes. Some are free while some are paid. So you can choose which themes resonate with you. So for example, let's choose this refresh theme. So let's click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, you can see this option for try theme. So click on this try theme right here. And then as you can see, this is the loading bar and progress of adding this theme to your online store. So after this has been loaded, it will be added right here on your online store. So as you can see, it's adding this particular theme. It's loading right here. And once it's done loading, we can actually click on this publish option. Click on this publish right here. And then in here, click on publish again. And then once you have done that, as you can see, it will be added as our new theme. And when we view our store, this is what our new theme looks like. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe. You can help us reach more people. See you soon.